Welcome everyone. In this just I'm going to solve a few questions from topics of grade 10. This is my first questions. So to solve these questions, I'm going to multiply all terms by LCM of 2 and 7 to simplify denominators. We can make the same denominator and do your operations, then cross multiply, then find x is alright too, but I prefer you to simplify denominators. So I will multiply all terms by 14. Don't forget, you should open the bracket for this and this expression. And this one will be multiplying by 14. All terms. So and this simplified to each other will give me 7. And this will give me 2. So then when I rewrite, I will write as 14x minus 7 times 9 is minus 7 minus 2 times x plus 2 equals to 56. Then I will open these brackets, these and these. So that will give me 14x minus 63x plus 49 minus 12x minus 4 equals to 56. And then I will do the operations on the left side. So 14x minus 63x minus 2x will give me minus 51x. 49 minus this will give me 45 equals 56. And then I'm going to leave the unknown alone just there as subtraction, and this is gone. So it will give me minus 51x equals to 11. And then this there as division. Don't forget, you don't change sign, you change operation. It will give me x equals to minus 11 over 51. So this is going to be my final answer. And let's have a look at the next question. When I look at the next question, this question is about simultaneous linear equation. In this type of questions, I suggest you to elimination method. So to be able to use the elimination method, I'm going to send this one to left side. Is going to be 4x plus y equals to 13. And then you are going to choose one of those letters to eliminate. I will choose y because I will just need to multiply by negative 2 this expression. So that will give me, this will stay the same, 2x plus 2y equals to 16. And that will give me minus 8x minus 2y equals to minus 26. And then I will add the left side and right side to each other. So from here I will get 0, and this one will give me negative 5x equals to, I will get from here minus 10. And then this the division. Remember, I told you don't change sign, you change operations. It is going to be x equals to negative 10 over negative 5, which is 2. And then you take this 2 both instead of x into any of those equations. So let me take this one. Y equals to 13 minus 4 times 2. This one is going to be 8. Y is going to 13 minus 8. So y is going to be 5. And let's have a look at another question. When I look at those questions, in those questions, the question is saying that represent each of the following on the number line. So you draw your number line for each of them separately. And then active numbers. So for here, negative 2, 5. So if you have here an element of natural numbers or z, which is integers, you should write all numbers. But if you have like this one, real numbers, and this. We don't need to write all of those numbers. So natural numbers, I would need to write there's 0, -1, -2, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I check here. So I see -2 is not included. We are going to put empty one. So you can put empty one or you leave nothing. Why? Because natural numbers are going to be bigger than 0 already. So you won't count those negative numbers as 0 already. So you can leave the 0 empty. I mean, this means empty. This means empty too. Or you can put nothing there. Just leave it as it is. And then after here, we are going to put just dot on the numbers. On the numbers. Sorry, excuse me. And this one. So now look at 5. Is 5 included? Yes, it is included. We are going to put full dot there. So if you have natural numbers and integers, which is represented by z, so you put dot like this. But if you have real numbers like this, I do not need to write like this number separately, each of them. So you can just write this sum of those numbers is given here, this and this number. Then you shade it right, left, you are going to find it. So when I look at this one, I have two intervals. This is 1 and this is 2. I can start with any one of them. So let me start with there. So 0 and -3. See, I didn't go there, I didn't write then -1, -2, uh, 3, and so I just wrote there 0 and -3. According to here, this -3 is included, which is a full dot, and 0 is not included, which is empty one, empty numbers. And then x is between them, you shape in between them. So here is not dot, because real number you don't you put here dots for natural numbers and integers. And then I have another interval which is there 3. So 3 is not included, empty, and right side. If it is bigger right side, smaller left side. So attention, x, if it is x bigger, all right, x smaller left. And when I look at this number, uh, numbers -1, 5, and -1. So 0 there, -1 and -5 in between them. So both of them are not included. We put there empty, empty, and shade here. See, nothing else. Here I have two intervals again. You can do any of them first. Let me do this one. So put your 0 there, and this is going to be 2. So smaller, and don't forget is empty. Why? Because it is not included. Smaller means, remember here I said if x is bigger right side, x is smaller left side. Oh, this one is shaded. And then here you'll get there 4. I see 4 is included. You put there full dot, and x is bigger, which is right side. That's it. Someone is saying, can I do like this for this one? So instead of doing like the shade on the bottom or top, doesn't matter. Leave empty and do this. And for this one, full and do this. Of course, you can do as long as we have like real numbers for like this question and like this question. So let's have a look like this type of questions. In this type of questions, when I look at x is not alone. If the x, the unknown is not alone, you are going to leave it alone. But here I have two directions. So means when I leave the x, when I send numbers to one side, I send to the other side too. This one is subtraction will go to this side, addition, and this side addition too. So which is going to be here 10, right? And here is going to be -2. And then I see x is still not alone. We are going to send this to this side and this side. as division. So means this is going to, there is going to be 5 and x alone now, and here is going to be negative 1. So now when you have the x alone here, then you can draw the number line, and let's say x is element of real number, let's say, and then 0 here, negative 1, and 5. When I look at here, negative 5 is included, negative, I mean, sorry, 5 is included, negative 1 is not included, and x is between them, you fit in between them. Or you could say, like this, of course. Yes. Nothing absolutely no. And there is this type of questions. See, there is denominator. Just to simplify this denominator, you are going to multiply all terms by that denominator, which is 3 and 3. So then you will see, you will be able to simplify this and this. I will get negative 9, negative x plus 1 and 6. Then I see x is not alone. I will leave it alone like I did in previous question. Just there and there is negative 4. So I will get from this side negative 13 and negative x is 1. And this side I will get 2. And then I see the x is still not alone. Why? Because there is there negative 1. There is no number, this is negative 1 is 1. So I take this one to there. As you know, this one is 1 times x. We'll go to that side as division and don't change the sign. And this one too as division, don't change the sign too. From here, I will get 14. X is on the middle, and this one will be with this one negative 2. And when you add the negative number, if the negative number is a fruit of x, and set to this and this side, then you want side just to direction of this and this sign will change. It will be like this. And then you draw your number line. Let's say if x is element of real number again, this is element of symbol of element of. Then you put there 0, negative 2 here. Let's say 13 here. I'm putting that like number just randomly, alright. So I see negative 2 is not included and the 13 is included. And then it is between them. Or you could say, of course, and 3 and 4. Like this, up to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is this much. So see you in next